Traders, markets are up this morning. Let's take a look at the SPY. We're up 0.71% from yesterday's close. If we look at yesterday's session, super tight range, just consolidating all day. Looks like consolidating for a big move. And as we can see, if we look over here at the daily, that nice beautiful bull flag, looks like we're breaking out today. We're just about at the top here. It looks really good for a continuation to the upside. On the move this morning, we got BHVN. This stock is down over 28%. 292,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. BYND. This stock blasted off yesterday after hours. And this morning it went up to 202 area. So this thing is going to be in play today. This is going to be moving big, so you got to be careful with that one. Facebook up almost 2%. Over 900,000 traded pre-market. This thing is nice. It's going to be in play this morning. TSLA up over 2%. 133,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. So we got quite a few to work with here. Mostly all big price stocks this morning. But that's okay. We also stream these every weekday morning around 8:30 alongside some market gauges like the SPY, QQQ, DIA, and VXX. If you're interested, you can check that out around 8:30. So let's get to it. BVHN, we just got in this. I don't think I was recording. I wanted to get in before it broke 41. Because if you look at the daily here, this thing looks great. Big, huge red candle right there. Intraday, gaps down. It gets bought up for a little bit, and then it starts to tip. Market is climbing, so I'm thinking it just went up because of the market. Now it looks like it's about to break this area. So target on this one, I like it around 40.50. And stop loss will be over 42. But this looks really good here. I don't like the market though. If we look at the market here, this thing is on fire. But this stock did get hit really hard. So more likely than not, it will continue to the downside. All right, looks good here. Let's see if it can break 41. Looks about ready to break 41 here. Once it does, we'll see how far we'll take it. All right, we broke it. BHVN, we're going to come out of this right here. I don't like this anymore. I'm going to push this up a little bit. I don't like this. All right, we're out. We're out with about a 70-cent loser. Yeah, I should have dropped there. I see the market's about to blast off, and it should push this sucker up. I had over 50 cents, didn't take it. And now I lost 70 cents. We're going to take NVDA right here on a breakout for a long. All right, we're in. We're in at 152.34. I actually tried taking it earlier, but now it looks really good for a breakout over the highs here. It's a little extended, but if you look at the daily here, that's ready to break out. I think we go over 152.50, and our target will be over 153. Looks like we're about ready to break out. If we can get 50 to 60, 70 cents, get some of that BHVN back. Stop loss will be below 152. There it comes. Looks really good. We're going to take this right here if we can. All right, we're out. We're out for about a little over about 65 cents. It's going to go over, but I just wanted to get some of that loss back just in case it drops. Apple, we're going to take this for a long right here at the bid. If we can get hit, all right. We're in at 199.67. This looks really nice here for a breakout. It opened, it gapped up, and went. It just blasted off. And once it reached the highs, it dipped. And now it's right back to where it was on the high, so I'm thinking it's going to go over 200. It should be a decent breakout. Daily looks great. If you look at the daily, this thing looks really good. You know, would have been better taking it earlier on, but it still looks okay here. You know, you're going to get a lot of short coverage up here. So stop loss on this one will be below 199, and target, I like it 225 area. But it is extended, so that's a little worrisome. But if you look at the SPY, it looks really nice. We got a bull flag forming here, so more likely than not, the SPY will blast off and take Apple and many stocks with it. take a look at this thing up close. Looks really nice, really nice. Apple, thinking about coming out of this. Yeah, we're going to come out of this right here. All right, we're out. We're out with about a 42-cent loser. I'm monitoring the market, and the market's looking weak. If this thing starts to drop here, it'll drop hard. We're going to take BYND at the bid here for a long. All right, we're in. We're in at 179.48. If we look at the daily here, this thing has been a beast. Look at that thing, you know. And this morning, pre-market, it went way up to 202, and then of course it sold off. Intraday, it gaps up and it flushes right at the open and just continuously drops. But I think we formed the bottom here, and now it's going up. So stop loss on this is going to be a good size stop loss because this is a monster. Is going to be 177.50 area, and target will be, I'd like to see if I can get 2 points off of this, probably 81.50 area. But this is a monster. Oh, there it goes. It just went below my stop. All right, it's at our stop area here. Just a little longer. If it don't bounce, we're going to come out. All right, we held through that pullback there. Looks like it's coming back up. I almost got out of the trade, but I think it's going to climb. It's just too strong. You got a lot of buyers in this still, and it dipped quite a bit. But the spreads are big, and the sucker can really move. So if it don't move up, if it don't climb soon, I'm going to come out of it. BYND, all right, starting to work out now. I almost got out of it just a little while ago because it started going down. It popped down, but now that it's doing this, now it should be a nice ride up. I want to see if I can get it at least up to, I'm going to try to get 181. At least 181, because I suffered for a little bit in this one. Let's take a look at this thing up close. It's looking good. All right, here we go. We're at our target. Let's grab this right here. Nice, nice. I'll take that. Yeah, we got about a little over a point and a half. Needed that after those two losses, you know. TSLA, we're going to take this for a long here at the bid if we can get hit. All right, we're in. We're in at 231. Daily looks good for a long. Look at that thing. It's been uptrending for a while, strong. Now it had been downtrending for quite some time, so that's a nice bounce from the lows past couple of weeks. Intraday gaps up and goes hard. And then it gets to the highs, and it just starts to flush. So it's been flushing for a little bit now, so I think it's going to turn around here and go at least up to, at least over 332. If we can get it over 332, I'll take that. If not, stop loss will be below 230, below 230, point each way. But I like this here. I think this is going to work out here. Market dipped a little bit, and now it looks like it's about to ignite again. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Yeah, we'll take it around 232 if we can get it there. TSLA, it's looking good. I'll let it climb a little bit more. See if we can get it close to 232 at least. There we go. You know, I'll try to take this right here at the 70 if we can. All right, we're out. Take that. Oh, and it continues. I should have waited. But that's okay. I took about 70 cents off of that. Close to it. No, we took 70 cents. A little over, actually. Apple, we're going to get in here at the bid. If we can get in. All right, we're in. We're in at 199.64. We took it earlier, and it was consolidating up here for a while, and it started to drop. So I came out of it. It's a small loss. Now it looks about ready to break out because it didn't drop. So now more likely than not, it will climb and climb hard. If we look at the SPY looks about ready to break out too. You know, it dipped from the high, and now it looks like it's about to rally. Target on this one will be around 250 area, and stop loss will be below 199. But I think this is going to be a good trade here. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Get ready for the breakout. It should break out. I don't see why not. That's a big monster consolidation area. So you got a lot of stops below here, and you got a lot of stops above here from people that are short. So, but that is a really big whole number, 200. So could be a lot of sell orders up there. Market is climbing. Market is about to break out too. So we got really nice tailwind. Apple. Let's take this a little closer. Here we go. All right, 200 is on deck here. Should be fairly dramatic, I think, once it gets over 200. Apple, real nail biter. Keeps trying to get to 200, and then it just gets shot right back down. Got a little pullback going here. Not like that, but hasn't done anything wrong. That only means the next time it goes up to the top, it'll just be harder and stronger, because this sucker is really strong today. All right, Apple, here it comes, back. Just like we just talked about a minute ago. Should be pretty dramatic this time. All right, here we go. It's going to go over 200. All right, we're over 200. All right, that looks good. We're going to ride it just a little bit more. All right, we'll take this right here if we can get it. All right, we're out. Nice. We'll take that. 50 cents. I wanted more, but I got back what I lost on it earlier. But that's going to be it for me today. We had a rough start. First trade was a decent loser on BHVN, but we got all that back and some. We're up 328. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades, 4 winners and 2 losers. Our biggest winner on BYND and our biggest loser on BHVN. Thanks for watching.